Hello, and welcome. Are you struggling to get a perfectly sharp image from your microscope, especially at high magnifications? In the world of detailed analysis, a blurry edge or an out-of-focus area can mean the difference between a correct and an incorrect conclusion. Standard software often fails to capture the full depth of your specimen. Introducing MicroVision Suite, the powerful, intuitive software designed to bring ultimate clarity to your digital microscopy. At the heart of MicroVision Suite is our advanced extended focal imaging, or EFI, technology. This isn't just another sharpening filter. EFI intelligently combines multiple images taken at different focal planes to construct one perfectly sharp composite image from top to bottom. This feature is a game-changer, especially in fields like metallography. We all know the challenge. At 500x magnification, the depth of field is incredibly shallow. It's often impossible to get both the surface and the underlying structure in focus simultaneously. With MicroVision Suite's EFI, that problem is solved. Simply scan through the focus range, and let the software build a crystal-clear image for you, revealing sharp edges and details you might have otherwise missed. But power is nothing without flexibility. MicroVision Suite is built to work seamlessly with the hardware you already own. It's compatible with the vast majority of USB cameras right out of the box. It can even work with legacy FireWire cameras, provided they have a properly installed Windows driver. Beyond its powerful imaging capabilities, MicroVision Suite is designed for practical, everyday analysis. The interface is clean, simple, and easy to master. With our built-in, calibrated measurement tools, you can quickly and accurately measure distances with the line tool, or analyze circular features with the circle tool, which instantly provides both diameter and circumference. Stop fighting with blurry images and complex software. Elevate your analysis with the clarity and simplicity of MicroVision Suite. Discover what you've been missing. Visit our website to learn more.